Hey everyone, so we're now on the island of Koh Samui and we're at our luxury villa, which is Wild Cottages. We're so excited. It's absolutely beautiful here. Okay, so in this villa we have his and her sink. We have some things here, so they give you basically, well, basic hotels give you toothbrush, cotton buds, a comb, and I have no idea what these are.
If you know, you can let us know in the comment below.
If anyone knows what these are. Can't even open it. Okay, and here we've got our Rainfall shower. I'm super excited to use. Absolutely gorgeous bath that has a view. And this bath actually, oh yeah, pretty big, really nice. And then if you follow me this side, we have like a little breakfast nook area. You can sit down, and over here this way you can have your breakfast. And it also has a little kitchen. You've got your oven, you've got your stove, your sink, they give you plates, cups, everything. When you get here, they give you some complimentary fruit with some juices. We obviously went to the shops already and bought some extra stuff because we're going to be making dinner tonight. They give you some aloe vera, so if you get sunburnt, that's always great. We have, oh, this is my favorite. I love when hotels put this in. Coffee machine, and you get some capsules. So excited for that tomorrow morning. They even give you a blender, which I thought was quite cute. And you've got all your different teas, so you can make that if you're a tea fan. Okay, so we're gonna do the bed test and feel how soft this is. Are you ready? Whee! Ugh. My head's even falling off. This is really nice. It's really comfy. Let's feel the pillows. And over here, you can see here, ooh, let me put my hat back on. They give you already a little Wild Cottages hat, which is really cute. You get this fan, and you get this cute little bag. Also, if you come to the cupboard, they will give you nightgowns, which is really nice. Everyone always loves a nightgown. And if you're wondering where the bathroom is, I was also like, but it's actually behind this door here. It's really beautiful. It has like plants, and then even the floor, it's amazing. slept so nice. That bed is so comfortable. And we've just ordered breakfast, which is the breakfast basket that they do here, that they will put it in the pool. So it has...
So it's got some eggs, it's got some fruit, some toast, and some juice.
We also have this, I think it's a fruit bowl, so it has, yeah, a fruit bowl. It has fruit. Okay, so this is our breakfast basket. As you can see, we've got some croissants, pastry. We got these cute little fruit bowls. Oh, with muesli, that's nice. And then we've got our omelets, bread, and then some fruit. And here we got our little espressos. And I think we got juice. I'm not too sure what juice this is. Just... I can't open it. Wait, I need a towel. Wait.
Yeah.
So this is
guava?
I don't know what that is. It's like a mixture of papaya. I think it's papaya in it with something else. It's not just papaya. But that's really good. It's nice and fresh. Fresh juice. So we're so excited! So we've just finished our breakfast, which was absolutely delicious. So tonight is our last night in this beautiful luxury villa at
Wild Cottages.
Wild Cottages. We've had such a wonderful experience. We've honestly, this is probably one of the best hotels we've ever stayed in. Not hotel, villa.
Best villas.
Yeah, best villa we've ever stayed in. It is quiet, it's peaceful. The bed is amazing. And
I'm gonna miss that bed.
even the pool temperature is just, it's perfect. Everything here has just been perfect. I could not find a downfall. I try to find, they even have this spiritual wood, which I'll show you just now. It's like a wood that you burn with a whole spiritual finding peace and all of that, which I thought was really a nice little cute add to the villa, since this place is one of those villas that are just, it's peaceful, right? It's just it's a wonderful getaway. It's
So we are not going to be going back to Bangkok because we say this is our last night. We're going to be going on to another resort where we're going to be staying another 2 nights.
yeah.
And the resort's called My Beach Resort, if I'm not mistaken.
So we're also really excited about that. We're sad to be leaving this, but we're also excited because our next destination is also,
So much mixed emotions.
yeah, it's also going to be beautiful. We've also got a beautiful room there as well, but it's just not, it's not exactly like this. I don't think anything could beat this.
This is more private. I think at a resort it's not as private.
Yeah, but if you want to check out our the resort, that will be in the next video.
Alright, so as you can see, it's nighttime outside and we have a chef in the house. How lucky are we? So Jade has decided to cook us dinner. Let's see what she's making. Jade, tell us, what are you making tonight?
I just made some chicken and vegetables.
Chicken and vegetables. Ooh.
I've only done the veg, the chicken needs to be.
Is this the vegetables?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at that. Wow. Look at that. Yum.
Bye.